Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.
Minors and cofactors. A. Minor. Friends, the minor of an element of the given determinant is a determinant obtained by omitting the row and column of that element. Every element of the determinant is designated by a double script which indicates the row and column in which a particular element exists. Thus, Aij is an element in the ith row and jth column. If we say A32, it means minor element which can be obtained by deleting third row and second column. So, M32 is equal to determinant A11, A13, A21, A23. Similarly, minor of the element A12 can be obtained by deleting all the elements of the first row and second column. So, minor of the element M12 is equal to determinant A21, A23, A31, A33. B. Cofactors. If the minor of an element is given a positive or negative sign, then it becomes a cofactor of that element. Now, how to obtain this sign? Cofactor of an element Aij is equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij, that is minor of ij. So cofactor of A23 is equal to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 3 into determinant A11, A12, A31, A32. So that equals to minus 1 raised to 5 into determinant A11, A12, A31, A32. So that equals to minus 1 raised to 5 is minus 1. So minus determinant A11, A12, A31, A32. In short, cofactor is equal to plus minor if I plus j is equal to even, and cofactor is equal to minus minor if I plus j is equal to odd.